Good afternoon, everybody. This is Alex, and you'll see Kevin here in a quick second. We're at United Jeep in Brooklyn. We're about to service this sold. Here's Kevin. Say hi, Kevin. We're here to, Kevin's your service professional here in Brooklyn.
Yes.
I'll never let you down. This is actually a sold Jeep Wagoneer. They're delivering it tomorrow. It has an odor issue. So let me just do this, see if I can do this real quick. Yep. So you can see we're in a really tight lot on the back of the dealership. So not a lot of room here, but here we go on this side. So basically what we're going to do, and it's cold out, just so everybody knows, I'm wearing mittens. You know, it has a slight tobacco odor, marijuana odor. It's possible as well. On top of the detail detergents that they've used to try to get the odor out. So what we're going to do, and this is a big vehicle, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the mats out. We're going to service the mats, the carpeting, the headliner, which you can see here is just massive. It needs its own zip code. There's a third row of seats. Kevin's opening up the back. And then I've got the key. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn on the AC and treat the AC as well to make sure it smells fresh and clean so they can deliver this vehicle without any headaches or anybody complaining about an odor issue. Just an absolutely beautiful detail, actually. This is quite a vehicle, actually. We are luxury SUV, luxury auto, any make, any model, odor removal specialists in Brooklyn and across the country, and we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.